Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Sentry release uploads for mobile builds step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Sentry account. Select the project you wish to configure for mobile builds. Navigate to the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Releases section within the Settings menu. Click on Generate a new release to create a new release for your application. Enter a version number that corresponds to your build. Optionally, you can add a release name for better identification. Once the release is generated, you'll see options for uploading files. Locate the section labeled Artifacts for uploading your mobile builds. Prepare the source maps and any additional files needed for debugging. If you are using React Native or a similar framework, ensure the configuration for source maps is set up correctly. Use the Sentry CLI by running Sentry CLI releases files your _release _name upload /path/ to /your/ files. Replace your _release _name with the version number you defined earlier. Make sure the path points to the correct location of your source maps. Run the command to upload the files. Once the upload is complete, return to the Sentry dashboard. Verify that the uploaded files appear under the Artifacts section of your release. This ensures that your mobile builds are properly configured for error tracking. Finally, test the integration by triggering an error in your mobile app. Check the Sentry dashboard to confirm the error appears with the correct stack trace and source maps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.